Hey, what's going on? It's Paul Farmer from paulgfarmer.com. That's my blog where I share what I do, how I've been able to earn a full-time income online, and I give you free training and just as many marketing tips and things as I can. Check that out at paulgfarmer.com if you like. Now, today what I want to go over is how to make money online for free. And usually I would steer clear of this subject, but I understand there are a lot of people out there that just don't have much income and they're looking for ways to create an income without, well, in this case, for free or very little money. Okay, so I'm going to give you a plan you can follow that doesn't require any upfront money. And then what you're going to do over time as you start getting results is you're going to use some of that money and invest it back in and start growing your income. Okay, so that's the whole idea. So I broke this up into, I believe I did like 4 different phases. Let's see, we'll jump over here. Okay, make money without any startup money plan. Okay, now there are many different ways to earn income online without paying anything. There really are. The main thing is that you need to put in the work. Okay, so I'm just going to go over just a few things that are free. For example, Facebook is free. It's filled with tons of people that are looking for some type of opportunity. It is free. Instagram is free. Same idea. Twitter is free. YouTube is free. Okay, so there's many. Pinterest is free. And any social media platform, just about any one, is free. LinkedIn is free. So there are many people that are looking for ways to create more income, looking for products, looking for services that you can put in front of those people, right? So that is one thing to keep in mind as I go through this, okay? So I broke this up into some different phases. I'm keeping it as simple as I possibly can. I selected products, programs that I know produce results and work because I am a product of the product. And I'm just going to break it down for you in a very easy, simple way to understand. Okay, so phase one, we just need to join the programs. Okay, we need to get plugged in, get positioned so we can start early. So first thing I'm going to have you do is join Global Moneyline. Link is, all the links that you're going to need are going to be right below this video, or if you're watching this on my blog, right in my blog, you can click on them, get these accounts for free, and get going. All right, so join Global Moneyline for free. Join free lead system forever for free. Again, no money, right? And create a ClickBank account and select a product to market for free. So real quick, this is what it looks like. First one is Global Moneyline. Here is an example of Global Moneyline. What Global Moneyline is, it is traffic, okay? It is people. It is people looking for an opportunity. It's kind of like Facebook or Instagram or any of those. Those have people, but they're not necessarily looking for an opportunity. All the people in Global Moneyline are either in an opportunity, looking for an opportunity. So if you put something in front of them that interests them, that can help them, that can benefit them, chances are you're going to start getting people coming through and checking out your prog, seeing what you're about, that kind of thing. Okay, so, and the great thing about Global Moneyline is it is free, and you can even work your way up to a free subscription just by promoting the link. So to start with Global Moneyline, what you want to do is you just want to create a free account. So you're going to go to a page that looks just like this. Again, the link is right in the video below, description below. And you're just going to enter your email and then click Get Started. Make sure you check your email and verify it. Then you have a free account. So the next step is you're going to grab your link. Your link is going to be right here. And you're going to grab your link. They actually have a Getting Started section. Click on the Getting Started, go through it, watch the videos, learn what you need to do. But the main thing is you need to grab your link. Okay, this is the main thing because this is how you're going to start earning. So we need our link. Okay, I'm going to come back to that in a minute. The other thing I want you to go and do is I want you to, I'm skipping ahead here, I want you to join Free Lead System Forever. Again, this is free. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to use this to be promoted in this because this is traffic. This is a system, traffic system, right? The great thing about this free system is, let's see if I can find it here. I think I might have closed it, so let me just open it up again. It's just going to be at totalwealthliving.com. That is my link to it anyway. And this is a free system, okay? Completely free. You don't pay a cent to get this. Now, what is cool about this is you can promote any product, any service, any business you want within the system, and the system will go to work for you automatically and make it happen. Now, they also have some different products built right into the system that when you purchase those products, you're positioned to earn from those products, commissions from those products. I will get to that a little bit later. Right now, we are sticking to completely free. So far, I've told you to join Global Moneyline and the free Leads Forever system, because these are both free. The next thing you want to do, and there's tons of places you can go get free products that you can market, like Amazon. You can go to Amazon, but I'm going to talk about ClickBank, and ClickBank is free. Okay, JVZoo is free. These are just some of the places you can go and check out, but you can create a free ClickBank account. It's free, okay? And then what you want to do is, once you're in here, is you want to go to your marketplace. And once you're in the marketplace, it's going to come up here. You're going to see all these different topics, all these different subjects, right? All these different niches that you can go into. And for this example, I'm just going to go to e-business and e-marketing. And real quick, you can see there's tons of products that you can market. And all you got to do is hit that promote button. So let's just go. What you want to do is you want to select gravity, and then you want to find what has the highest gravity, a high gravity, okay? And once you find that, then you could just look over a product. This one pays you $33.38 a sale. This one pays you $22.99 a sale. This one pays you $71.03 a sale. This one pays you $81.87 a sale, $20.33. So right away, I've already proven that you can start making money online for free. It's really quite amazing how many opportunities are out there. So what you're going to do is just grab one of these, whichever one stands out to you most, and you're going to click on promote. They're going to give you a link that you can go promote. And when you make sales, they will pay you commissions. Now, they already have sales pages done for you. So what you're going to do is grab your link. You're going to bring it over here to the free lead system. Once you're in here, there will be a place to drop your link, your product link. You're going to put that right in there. And what that's going to do is when people come and join this system, what's going to happen is they're going to start seeing your product in there. And some people will buy, and you will start earning from that. So let's go back to the plan here. I don't know why I keep clicking on that, but all right. So we have join Global Moneyline, join Free Lead System Forever, and get a ClickBank account, select a product, place it into Free Lead System. All right. So phase 2. Phase 2 is join my coaching group for free. My coaching group looks like this. DB Freedom Project. Type it into the subject line. It is free. I don't charge anything for this, but I have 22 videos where I share with you exactly how I went about sponsoring hundreds of people completely free, using completely free strategies. So all you're going to do is click continue reading and go through that training, 22 videos, go through them all and start applying what is taught. I promise you it works, okay? So we're going to come back over here. Join the coaching group for free. I already talked about this. Advertise your Global Moneyline link. Okay, so now you're going to take what I just taught you. Okay, so what you learned in here. Now also Global Moneyline, I should let you know, they have a 7-day marketing plan that you can follow. They tell you exactly what to do to start building this thing out. But if you come over to my group as well, you know, I give you strategies that absolutely work. They've proven to work. They have worked for me. And I still use them to this day. And I've been able to create a full-time income online using these strategies. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go. Now, here's the deal. If you don't have any money, now if you can come up with $20 one time, you're good. You can become a bronze member in Global Moneyline. That's going to pay you $20 per sale, and you're going to earn $10 from the compound leverage of the compensation plan. This is not a compensation plan video. This is just, I'm giving you a method you can follow to go from literally zero to making a full-time income over time. okay, just by reinvesting your earnings back into your business and continuing the process. So here we have, so Global Moneyline has a way for you to go and get started for free and actually get a free bronze membership by advertising. Let me go back. Advertising your link, okay? You're advertising this page. People are going to come into the system. Some of them are going to start buying. You follow their 7-day plan. You follow my training. You're going to start getting signups. This is a pretty easy thing to market because it's traffic. It's something everybody needs, and it's very cheap. $20 is nothing. Okay. If you don't have $20, then it's a lot, but most people have $20 to spend. Okay. So there you go. That's how you go about getting a free bronze membership. If you can come up with the $20, collect some cans, ask somebody to borrow $20, whatever you got to do to get that $20, you can, then you only need to get two bronze sales, and then you get the bronze for $20. Okay, you're qualified to start earning $20. If you don't do it that way, if you don't have $20, then you just need to sell 3 of these for $20, and they're going to give it to you for free. And you didn't have to pay a single cent to get it. Now you're qualified to start earning $20 over and over again, and $10. So right away, already you can see how you can start earning with zero money. Pretty awesome, right? So now we're going to go to the next phase. So you have your link. You're at the $20 level. Now you're going to start advertising. Let me see here. We got that. We're going to go place your clickback. I already talked about that. Post message about free ads. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to go post your message about your free lead system in Global Moneyline. You're going to make an ad, and you're going to post your link in there. You're going to post an ad about the free lead system. Now, some people are going to start coming through and going into the system. They're going to get their free lead system. Some of them are going to go to the ClickBank product, and they're going to purchase it, and so forth, okay? So I'm going to come back to this. Meanwhile, though, you're still focused on Global Moneyline and bringing people. Meanwhile, you are still focused on Global Moneyline and getting those $20 sales, bringing people, introducing people to the community and showing them that they can get traffic and showing them that they can start earning for very little or free. So that is where the focus is. We're going to move to phase 3. So once you've earned 3 bronze sales or $60 in Global Moneyline, the next step is you're going to purchase the silver membership in Global Moneyline for just $50. That's an annual payment, and that's going to pay you $50 over and over and over and over. Okay, so now we got 20, we got 50, and because you have $60, you're going to upgrade in Lead Lightning, which looks like this. It's $7 one time, and it pays you $6 over and over and over again. All right, so now if we come back over here, you got your silver ad. The next step is you're going to take your silver ad, you're going to place an ad for your free lead system, right? You're going to start getting clicks to that. People are going to start coming through the system, and you're going to start getting the ClickBank product sales, and on top of that, you're going to start getting $6 sales from Lead Lightning. This is what Lead Lightning looks like. It's a $7 one-time offer, pays you $6 over and over. All right, so once you're at the silver level in Global Moneyline, that gets pretty good click-through rate, okay? So once you're at that level, now we're going to turn our attention, and of course you want to continue to stay doing the training in DB Freedom Project. Now we're going to turn our attention into promoting Power Lead System, okay? We're going to turn our attention into positioning ourselves in what's called Power Lead System. So let me go over to Power Lead System. So Power Lead System is the next product level up from Lead Lightning. And the reason you want to start doing this is because, one, it provides marketing tools and training that everybody needs. Doesn't matter what you're doing. I've been a member of Power Lead System for about 3 years now, since 2015, and I've been able to make a full-time income with this system. So what you're going to do next is once you get, jump back over here, $60 of earnings from Global Moneyline. So that means you've earned $60. So you've made $20 sales, or you made a $50 sale, whatever, right? Once you got at least $60, what you're going to do is you're going to take that money and you're going to go and upgrade in Power Lead System at what's called the gold level. And what this is going to do is it's going to position you to earn $20 residual income. Now we're talking residual income, money that comes in month after month after month. And you're going to earn 50% matching bonus when anybody joins this gold level. Okay, so now we're really starting to earn, right? We started at zero. It didn't happen overnight, but we've been working, we've been following the system, and we're starting to earn. So let me go back here. So at this point, you kind of have two different choices. You can continue to only focus on marketing Global Moneyline, okay? Or you can start advertising Power Lead System on the front and then place Global Moneyline in Power Lead System, because Power Lead System will market another product for you automatically. Okay, so you kind of have two different choices. So it's really just a matter of however you want to go about it. The goal here, though, is to start earning, and once you hit $200 to upgrade to the diamond level, which is $147 right here, $147, and that pays you $100 over and over again. And then from there, you know, once you earn enough, you're going to upgrade to this level, Social Profit Academy, which is $497 one time, pays you $400 over and over. And then eventually we want to get to the Master Traffic Institute, which pays you $1,000 commissions over and over, and that's $1,497. But that's not going to happen right away. That's going to happen over time, and you can definitely start earning a full-time income. Once you get to this level, you're probably going to be earning pretty good money. And once you're earning, you want to come back over to Global Moneyline, and you want to purchase all the products. So you want to go to Platinum, Diamond, and Double Diamond, and then you are positioned to make the most. You are positioned to have the most ads, to be seen the most, to be most recognized, and that's traffic that's going to be generating for you 365 days out of the year. So there you go. There is a plan that you can follow step by step, taking you from completely free, no money whatsoever, to earning very good income over time. Okay, so whether you have money, you don't have money, you can still make very good income online, but you have to make that decision that you want to do that. I've taken time to put this plan together. I really thought it out when it came to people that don't have any money. If you don't have any money, it is an opportunity. Will you seize the opportunity? Will you take advantage of the opportunity? Where there's a will, there's a way. Obviously, this is an opportunity for you to definitely change your situation. Follow the training. You will get there. You got to stay consistent. You got to always be working on your mindset, always be reading, always be listening, and trust me, you will get there, okay? So I hope you got value from this training. Again, the links to the different programs are going to be right below this video, and you can get started with this plan right away. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. I do videos doing what I can to offer you value when it comes to making money from home and with mindset, and just whatever I learn, I'm putting on video. So be sure to subscribe and get my videos. And with that, make it a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.